Hey, what's up guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install the Go Rhino RB10 Slim, RB20 Slim, and the VERTEC V3 running boards on our 2015 GMC Denali. The first thing we're going to do is the unboxing. You can go ahead and skip forward if you don't want to see it, which is understandable. It's pretty boring, but some people want to see what's inside the box. The box Kenny is currently opening right now is the running board set, which comes with the running boards and the running boards installation kit. The next box being opened is the brackets kits, which comes with the brackets and everything you need to install these brackets with. Now, to be honest, we were expecting only one running board and we're a little confused when we had three. That's right, 3 running boards to install. But then we learned they're all integratable, which means you can swap them out anytime because they work in correlation with the same brackets. Which is absolutely amazing that you can change the look of your running boards without actually taking apart the whole set. And that is also why this is labeled as 3 different installs, because they are basically the same install because they all use the same parts. Get it? Got it. Good. I know this unboxing is a little long, but now Kenny is opening the running boards and the running board kits, which you probably understand that it comes with a pair of running boards and everything you need to install it, because that's exactly what you get. Alright, after that long unboxing, we can finally talk about what's included. It comes with 6 brackets, a bracket hardware kit, driver side running board, passenger side running board, and running board hardware kit. Which is straight to the point. I love it. Kenny loved it. Thank God. Now, the tools needed will be different for each vehicle's make and model. For our 2015 GMC Denali, you'll need a 9/16 inch socket and wrench, 1/2 inch socket and wrench, 21mm socket and wrench, and a ratchet and extension. Now, just a fair warning before we get started, this install will take about an hour to 2 hours to do. So you got the time? Let's do it. We will be starting on the driver's side front bracket. Remove the driver's side front body mount bolt, keeping all existing bushing in place. Then you're going to slide the driver's side front bracket through the driver's side front body mount bolt, and then put it back into place using factory hardware. Now remember to only tighten it loosely just in case you need to readjust. Locate the up-round hole on the underside of your truck's body. Remove the rubber cap on the up-round hole and slide in a 5/16 bolt plate. Now this can be a little hard to see, but hopefully you can see what Kenny's doing. Attach the front auxiliary bracket to the body using the 5/16 bolt plate that you just installed into the up-round hole using a 5/16 flat washer, a 5/16 lock washer, and a 5/16 hex nut. Attach the opposite end of the auxiliary bracket to the side of the front bracket using 1/3 by 1 inch carriage bolt, 1/3 inch flat washer, and 1/3 hex nut. Now all the steps you just did on the front bracket, you want to repeat on the center and rear bracket. Remember to only tighten loosely just in case you need to readjust in the future. Now, after making sure everything is installed correctly, you can tighten your work. And just like that, your brackets are installed. Now let's get started on the running boards. Kenny here is giving you an example of how you slide in the inside running board bracket and tighten onto the driver's side brackets and the other brackets as well. Now let's do that on the truck this time. Place the running board onto your freshly installed brackets, making sure it's straight and even. You do not want crooked running boards. That's just bad on your part. Slide one inside running board bracket through the running board inside rails. Line up with the front brackets and secure with 2 MX hex nuts, 2 5/16 inch flat washers, and 2 lock washers. Now, again, repeat those steps on the center and rear brackets. Again, before securing your work, make sure your running board is nice and even. And now you can tighten all your bolts. Now it's time to move on to your passenger side running board. And to do this, you want to repeat all the steps you just did on the driver's side running board exactly. It's literally the same thing. And just like that, you have installed your Go Rhino running boards. And if you remember, I said in the beginning of this video that these 3 running boards actually work together with the same brackets. How you swap them out is that you unscrew the inside mounting rail bracket and slide them out just like so. Take off your current running board and slide in whatever running board you would like to install. All these running boards have an OE no drill bolt-on installation made specifically for your own vehicle. The VERTEC V3 running board is 5 inches wide, the RB10 Slim is 4 inches wide, and the RB20 Slim is 5.5 inches wide. All these boards have different weight capacities, so make sure you get the one that fits you. Learn more at RHRSwag.com.